Hello, this is David Sherry, and today what I'm going to do is give you some more documentation as a reference, which is kind of helpful. And what this is about your PHP server variables. Okay, not to tell you how to do them. All right, so here you have the variable name, your server self, which gives you information about the current executing script. Okay, and so it might put out this way. Your server name may put out this way. Okay, your server HTTP host, which is referring to a header, may appear this way. Okay, your server request method, all right, which works with your post variable and your get variable and other things. That's your post. Okay, and then your query, all right, and your remote address. So this is just a reference that you'll need to have. Okay, URI refers to a query string. Okay, this is your file name. All right, and so that's how it all works. And then you go down here, and I have the depreciated variables. Now there are a lot of things to deal with that, but anyway, so this gives you your what's depreciated. Okay, since 2000, since PHP 4.1. Okay, so you want to use these variables right here because they're important. They're extremely important. And if you update PHP, that can cause some serious issues when you update from one version, especially 4.1 to another, because a lot of database information, etc., will become useless. And so you might have to have a workaround until you get things straightened out for a newer version to install another version of PHP and use it. And I have provided some documentation on that, okay, to get you started. But anyway, this is the PHP Common Server Variables essential in programming. And so I hope that you find this useful. You can always come back to my YouTube channel and view it to get this, because it'll always be there for you. It'll never be deleted or removed. So anyway, I just want to say thank you. Have a good day. Give me a thumbs up. Let others know about me. I thank you a whole lot.